How's it going, guys? Leslie here, just doing a short video. Hi guys, Les here, just doing a short video about uh, Power Lead System. It is amazing. It's an amazing platform where you can use to earn commissions. Plus, you can market any business. So, guys, so this is the free ad secrets. This is all the products that they have in the system. So you get this, you earn $100 commissions. You get this, it's $105 a month. You get this, it's $400 commissions, and you get this. So if you get them all in, you earn $15 commissions, guys. So this is a no-brainer. And whenever you come in, you do your free trial, and you join the Facebook group, and then you do the fast start training. So guys, you click all in. So I'm not qualified yet for an all in. I'm just a gold member, but my plan is to go all in soon. So guys, you can see here, home business is $497, and you earn $400 on that one commission. This one you earn $100. On master you earn I think it's $200. But if you go on and get all the products, you earn $1,500. You know. But guys, if you come in as a gold member, you earn $20 commissions. As I say, I'm just a gold member at the minute. So guys, just go through here. Fast start. This is all your traffic, and see compensation plan. It really is amazing. I haven't come up compensation plan. Okay, so the gold compensation plan, as you can see, guys, yeah. So this is the gold compensation plan. You refer 3 people, and your product is free. Platform cost $783 a month. You know, so guys, you bring. So this is, you just see yourself as you, and you bring all these people in. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80 a month, and it goes up, keeps going up, you know. So that's the gold compensation plan. And then the next one is where did I see that? Okay. The next one is this one. So as you can see, you get the free ad secrets. You're earning whenever someone buys it, you're earning $100 commissions. If you get the lead generation cabinet, it's $90 commissions paid out. Home Business Pro, as I say, you get $400 commissions, and the Master Traffic Institute, you get $1,000 commissions. So, guys, but if you go all in, you're earning $15 commissions. We see. I'll show you again. So if you get all the products, you're earning $50 commissions. So it really is amazing platform. So guys, I'll leave it with you. If it's something that interests you, let me know, and just click on the link in my description. Okay, and that will do. I'll chat to you again soon. Okay, take care. Bye bye.